A loss of 2.5% in SUI is expected tomorrow, per Gulf Capital Collector. Before diving deeper, let's scan today's price flow. According to the latest numbers, SUI is down 4.7% today and is holding around $0.9858. Let's jump into what analysts project. Tomorrow, CoinCodex expects the asset to reach $0.9949, which would be an increase of roughly 1%. Coin price forecast puts the target for SUI at 99 cents, about 0.5% above current value. According to CoinLore, it might approach $0.9777 on the downside, a fall of approximately 0.7%. A separate outlook from Gulf Capital Collector indicates SUI could edge lower to $0.9598, a fall close to 2.5%. Finally, Traders Union targets $0.8936 by March 15. That's a drop of 9.3%. This one stands as the top return forecast. You've heard 5 predictions. Let's go further. We've seen the projections. Time to check the forecast metrics. According to all forecasts, price movement could span from a decline of 9.3% to an increase of 1%. Reviewing the results, Traders Union shows the highest return with 9.3% uplift in value by March 15. That means you could earn between $5 and $93 for every $1,000 you invest. From a volatility standpoint, coin price forecast is the most probable, showing a 96.8% likelihood of being correct. With all forecasts compared, I've formed a combined consensus scenario. Consensus data indicates SUI moving downward by roughly 2.2%. Here's how it looks in detail. Consensus projections show the price down by about 2.2%. In line with that move, your capital would also reflect a gain of 2.2%. For every 1,000, that could suggest a potential increase of $22. In turn, the probability of the consensus forecast holding up is around 92.9%. To continue, let's look at the market's short-term path for the 3-day horizon, according to analysts. CoinCodex notes bearish momentum building up. Coin price forecast points to a bullish course in the days ahead. An advancing course is meanwhile described by CoinLore. Gulf Capital Collector signals weakness, pointing to a fall. Traders Union highlights that SUI may hover around current levels. Bringing together the forecasts, the consensus shows SUI leaning into a decline. Collectively, the majority of views highlight a bearish stance on SUI. 2 days ago, 5 predictions were published. Here's how they lined up with the market. As a result, the market wrapped up at $0.9962. Out of 5, just 2 captured the actual direction. The most correct forecast in numbers was from 30 rates. Let's map it out. 2 forecasts matched yesterday's range. When it comes to raw OI, a few positive results appeared. The best one came from CoinDataFlow with 3.4%. Here's the complete report, all outcomes compiled into one simple view. Digital coin price had $0.0296 accuracy, 95.8% forecast probability, and 2% ROI. Take a closer look and decide who was the most accurate. Let's take a moment to observe how the forecast-based returns for tomorrow align between SUI and other cryptocurrencies. Our featured asset leads the profitability ranking with 2.2%. For now, SUI is compared with only 4 random cryptocurrencies, but a detailed comparison with many more will follow soon on my website and Telegram channel. If this made things clearer for you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more. Catch you later.